Hello class, today we are going to make a holiday song Tagxedo. I'm going to show you what that is in just a second. You will notice on the website I have many different holiday songs. I have the Dreidel song, I have Celebrate Kwanzaa, I have Frosty the Snowman, I have many different songs. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to choose your favorite holiday song. For example, my favorite song is the Italian Christmas Donkey. And you notice I have all the lyrics for that song in this little window right here. What we're going to do is we're first going to copy all those lyrics. To do that, you click on the first word and you drag and you scroll down with your mouse until you've copied all of the lyrics. This is very important. I'm highlighting all of the lyrics. Oops. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click on the lyrics and select Copy. Now the next step is to go to Tagxedo.com. Click on this button to go to Tagxedo.com. And I'm going to maximize this window. What that means is make the window bigger by clicking on the square. And to make my Tagxedo, what I do is I simply click on Load. In just a second, I'll show you exactly what a Tagxedo is. But for now, I'm going to click on Load. And where it says Enter Text, I'm going to paste the text for my song by right-clicking in that box, right-clicking with my mouse. Oops. Try it again. You know, actually, right-clicking doesn't work. So actually, what we're going to do is we're going to paste a different way. And actually, down here, it shows you how. It says right here, Control-V to paste, because right-clicking, for some reason, does not work. So what you'll have to do to paste the lyrics that we just copied, hold down Control and V at the same time. And you notice all of my lyrics appear. Okay? Now I'm going to click Submit. And I'll show you what a Tagxedo is. It's now loading my Tagxedo. What a Tagxedo is simply a design with all of the lyrics for the Italian Christmas Donkey. The cool thing about a Tagxedo is I can change the shape, color, and font style of this design. To do that, I simply go to the Respin section. If I click on color, I can change it to a random color by clicking here. I can also choose the arrow option next to theme to choose maybe a more Christmassy color theme. And there you go. And I click the X here. I can change my font style. I can also change the orientation. So if I want my words to be all horizontal, I click on this, and then all of my words will be horizontal. I can make them all vertical, which is up and down. Or I can do any. And I think this one's horizontal or vertical. I'm going to choose any for this one. Any. Okay. The next thing I wanted to show you was the shape. If you click on the arrow next to shape, you have many different shape options. There's even some Christmas options. You can choose any of these shape options. I'm going to see if I can find a Christmas one. There's Santa right there. That works. Ooh, I like the snowman. I'm going to choose the snowman and click on the X. Hey, that looks cool. When you are all finished with your Tagxedo, it's time to save. To save, you simply click on the Save option here. And what we're going to do is we're going to save it as a JPEG or JPG file. That's an image file. You notice that there's many different options for the image file. You want to choose the 16 megapixel file because that's a very large JPEG with a high resolution. You can also choose the PNG file. That's just another image file. But you want to make sure that whatever you choose, it's 16 megapixel. So click on that. And now it's going to ask you where to save your Tagxedo. I'm going to click on the pull-down menu. And I'm going to find my student number. And I'm going to save the file here. Here you have to name the file before you click save. If you click save without naming the file, nothing will happen. So you can call it the Italian Christmas Donkey or whatever holiday song you chose and click save. Okay, now we are ready for the next step. The next step is to share your Tagxedo with the class. Click on the X and you'll be brought back to my site. Next to the Tagxedo link, you will notice that there's a link to share on WallWisher. I'm going to show you exactly what WallWisher is. Click on that link. A new window will appear. Maximize the window by clicking on the square. And to share on this wall, you simply double-click anywhere on the wall. Watch this. Double-click. And you want to type your name. And then you write something underneath by clicking in that box. I'm going to write guess my song. To upload your Tagxedo, you click on the middle icon here. And then you click in this box. And now I go to my student drive and I select the Italian Christmas Donkey. And I click open. Okay, and now other students can see my Tagxedo. And the idea is for them, for your peers, your other students in your class, to guess what song you used to make your Tagxedo. What you want to do is you want to click refresh every once in a while. The refresh button is right here. And what that does is it gives the most up-to-date information. So let's say that your friend just posted on the wall and you want to see what they posted. You click the refresh icon here and it will reload the page and show the latest information. So every once in a while, click refresh and more Tagxedos will appear on the page. To view a Tagxedo, you simply click on the Tagxedo. You can see I've already posted one earlier. If I click on it, a larger version of that Tagxedo will appear. Can you guess what song this is? I'll give you a clue. I see the word hippopotamus. I also see the word Christmas. You guessed right if you guessed I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Okay, I think you guys are ready to move on to this fun activity. Bye-bye.